Hi, welcome back to Lex Granny. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing by hitting that red button below and hitting the bell to make sure you're notified every time I upload. Rainbow cupcakes. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Do you want to say hi and tell your name? Yeah. Okay.
And who are you?
I'm Chloe Rose. I'm Perry Cougar.
No.
Don't.
Chloe, you helping me?
I'm pushing.
Okay, you guys.
Smells good.
Okay, here is your egg. And
Oh my God, those kind of look like.
And here is your egg.
These are huge. Come on.
Yeah, crack it in here. You
I
can do this.
Crack. Oh my God, that's gross. What?
Okay, how about this? Are you ready?
Oh my.
Oh, you did it! Oh, way to go, Chloe! Hey, oops.
Ew.
Okay.
No,
Chloe, you can put it in here now.
Oh, double yolk. It was double
Whoa,
yolk.
great job. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. And no shell. Great job,
No,
Aaliyah.
there's a little shell.
Where?
Where the double yolk is. There's a next. This the oil?
That's the water. You can go ahead and
Yum.
put the
Can I
water.
pour it?
Yep.
Oh, Chloe, careful. There's a nut in it.
Do you need help?
No.
Whoa. Ah, put all of it. Oh my goodness. You're amazing. You guys are
Look.
fantastic.
Look.
Thank you.
Ew.
Oh my.
Is it mixing now?
Yes, you can go ahead and mix it now.
Ew. Now I know drink the egg is not. I want to lick this, please.
What?
I want to lick this.
You want to lick that?
Yes.
Okay, one lick.
Squish.
Egg and squish?
I put an egg and squish in mine, but I got a double yolk. I'm a bulldog. This kind of looks like melted ice cream. It's a red one. Look. Oh my God. I don't want to mix with this one. That's a magic one. Yeah, I don't want the magic one. Why? I don't have the magic one. I want you to have the magic one. That's too hard for me. But this one is too hard for me. You can
Put
do
it in this one.
Put it in that one? That
Yes, right inside. Great job.
one? Is it my...
Ooh, I see all my helpers have left.
What is my sister doing?
You can take your muffin and you can start decorating it.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
I'm done. Oh, sprinkle. Please have just sprinkles. Cheese. More weird salt. Some snowflake salt. I'm gonna put some of these. Maybe we could. Papa can love it.
Pop-Pop's gonna love it?
Yeah. It's just not a birthday.
No, it's nobody's birthday. It's just for fun.
Yeah. This is done.
Okay.
I just need it outside.
A little bit more.
Or some kind of thing. But they're supposed to be Stegosaurus. And maybe I think I'm gonna stick them on with my...
Who's that one for, Aaliyah?
This one is for Dad.
Who's that one for, Chloe?
For Daddy.
So Daddy gets 2?
Yeah.
Does Grandma get one?
Yes, I made one for you.
Which one is mine, Aaliyah?
This one.
That one is mine?
Yeah.
And again for you, Bubba. And again for you, Bubba, too. Then again for you, Bubba, too.
So did you make one for Grandma?
Yes.
Which one?
All this one.
No. That's good. I get them all?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So this one is for Papa, this one is for me, and that one is for you, and that one is for Dad. But I want to make one for Mom and Uncle, but
Oh, okay. We'll get more.
I'm not sure if Mom likes icing. I'm getting it on to me. There?
Chloe, are you going to put some icing on your muffins, or are you going to eat all the icing?
There. It looks like Nutella. She said it looks like Nutella. Yeah, I know this one. So this one is for Pop-Pop. I think this one is for you. This one is for me. That one's, I think, for Dad. That one is for Mom. This one is for Uncle.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
That one's for my sister.
We need more green one.
Hey, Chloe. Wait, we need some more of purple.
Look at just the one you made for Chloe. That's a lot of icing.
She loves icing. Maybe some more icing. Look at this one.
She likes frosting.
It's for you. It has a bunch of sprinkles inside. It's really easy to make. You just need whatever sprinkles you want, and you need just chocolate icing or vanilla icing or whatever icing. You get a spoon, and then you get a lot of sprinkles. Then you just put them inside.
I'm done.
And then you get some icing. Then you just mix and mix and mix and mix.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Wow, let me see your creations.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
What is that?
It's called sprinkle soup. Chloe, messy hands, messy hands.